Okay, so I'm in Prague now. It's a beautiful day. Barcelona was amazing, and there's another conference coming up in Prague. So I'm just here catching up on work, staying in Europe before I go back to Asia. It's so peaceful here. I mean, I've been really relaxing, and it's so much more calm than China and Asia and Hong Kong. Ice cream. Oh yeah. It's freaking hailing. In a hail storm in the summer in Prague. This is snow. This is freaking ice. I thought it was gonna be a normal day outside, and it's just freaking hailing in Prague in the middle of June. That was some crazy hail, and it's June 2016, and it's like it's the hottest days in Prague. So, George, what's up, man? What's up with the hail?
Well, hail is cold, as you know, and it's hot down here, but it's not that hot up there in the sky.
Okay.
Like if you're on the plane, you can look at the outside temperature, so
okay. So
it's coming down before it has a time to melt, I guess.
And you said it just hailed in Amsterdam?
It hailed in the south of the Netherlands, and apparently it was a couple $100 million of damage because these big hailstones broke cars and greenhouses and everything. But my car is apparently safe.
Okay.
It was parked 50 kilometers from the disaster zone.
Wow, man.
Hopefully.
The world is
Haven't
going
seen
crazy.
it in a while.
The world's going crazy, man.
Já vlastně zapíš než tu stučníkou.
So I dried off a little bit, the rain has stopped, and it's dried up, and just time for the sunset at the beer garden. It's a great place, and great day. Just kind of relaxing a little bit this afternoon. Yeah, I kind of wish my family was here. I miss the fam, miss the kids, and they'll be soon enough. I'll see them.
And you'll sound very boring.